Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to my channel to watch a new review that I have on some new leather wallets. This brand is called OpenSea Leather Company, and it's become one of my really favorite leather wallets to use. As many of you guys know, I'm a huge fan of luxury products, leather goods, and this company makes some really amazing leather wallets. Minimalist, simple, functional, and nothing too much more than what you need. This particular wallet right here is my personal favorite. It's called the Handmade, and I'm going to show you guys why it's one of my favorite ones. I'm a person that still generally holds a lot of cash, or likes to hold cash. I don't just use credit cards. So what makes this one very unique for me is that once you open this up, it allows you to put your cash in without folding it up like many of the other minimalistic style wallets that you see on the market today. This is one of the first leather wallets that I've ever seen that allows you to put your full bills without folding them. It has a couple card slots, two of them right here. Not sure if you can see, but there's a slot right here and a slot right here. I'm going to go ahead and remove my cards just so you can kind of see better. You'll see one of the slots right here, and then you'll see another slot right here. How this wallet works is that you simply just fold it over and close it in. On the back side, you also have another slot back here for whatever else you want to put in it. The Handmade holds approximately 8 to 10 cards, and as I understand it, the leather used is an Italian grade leather. Now, as you can see, I have a couple other wallets right here, all by OpenSea, and I kind of want to run you through a couple of the other ones. This particular one right here, same principle. Let me show you the back. This particular wallet right here is a little bit smaller in width than the Handmade. It still allows you to put a full bill right here, and then allows you to put your cards right here in this slot, and an easy accessible one right here, maybe the cards or your ID that you use more frequently. Let me go ahead and remove the cash from here and then kind of slide them in to this wallet over here. And then let me go ahead and throw in some cards. So right here, I went ahead and put some cash in. I put one card, and I put another card right here, and just kind of fold this through. And that's how this particular wallet looks. I want to give you guys a better image of the stitching. So just so you know, all these wallets are handcrafted, which is absolutely one of the biggest reasons why I love this brand right now. There are multiple color combinations you can create on these wallets. There's many different colors you can have in this area right here. And the same goes for this particular wallet as well. Now moving on to the next wallet, we have a very, very slim wallet here. You see this stamping of OpenSea Leather Company on the back, as well as the front. This particular wallet allows you to access your card very easily just by sliding this up right here. And then not only that, this little pull tab right here allows you to access the one card back here. I haven't tried to put multiple cards in this particular wallet. I mainly use this wallet if I want to keep everything very, very minimal. Finally, this last wallet I have right here is a pretty straightforward, simple card cash holder. You do have to fold your bills and put it in this way and put a couple cards right here. I like to use this one more for business cards. But let me go ahead and put some cash in here and put the cards in here and show you how that looks as well. So here, I put the cash in and I put, I think 6 cards in here. Gives you an idea on how it looks with multiple cards and some cash in here. Still very, very slim. Very compact. And when we open this up, cash right here. And I actually put all the cards in the slot up front, but you can technically throw some cards back here as well. And I threw some cards on the back side. Right there. Right next to the cash. And I got a couple cards up front. Close it back up. Every single wallet comes in a little OpenSea leather company pouch. Again, thank you guys for watching. Definitely go check out this brand, OpenSea Leather Company. It is one of my favorite leather wallet companies at the moment. Thank you guys, and have a good day.